Skyline gliding window panels from Hunter Douglas offer the perfect solution for both large and small window expanses. They can also be used as a stylish room divider for a unique privacy option. Our standard cord operation is easy. Simply pull on the cord to open or close the panels. Also available is wand operation, a single wand control for left or right openings, and dual wand control for center openings. You can also opt for our Power View motorization system with the Surface Scene Controller, which lets you choose from your own customized scene settings to operate your shades. Be sure to consider all the control options available with our Power View motorization. Skyline gliding window panels from Hunter Douglas.